Meaning of case. Case is a noun with several meanings. It can mean a situation or example, a container, or a legal matter. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. In this case, we'll need to try a new solution. 2. She packed her clothes in a large case. 3. The police are investigating the case. 4. It's a rare case of success without experience. 5. Please put your glasses back in the case. 6. He caught a case of the flu last week. 7. The lawyer presented the case in court. 8. Just in case, take an umbrella. 9. This is a perfect case of teamwork. 10. He made a strong case for more funding.